In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the product not showing error on Shopify. If you've added a product to your store, but it's not appearing on your online storefront, the issue is usually related to its status or where it's being published. I'll walk you through a simple checklist inside your Shopify admin to make sure everything is set correctly. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you can see an overview of your store, like orders, analytics, and recent activity. From here, we're going to head straight to the section where all your products live. On the left-hand side menu, click on Products. This will open a list of every product in your store, including active products, drafts, and archived items. Take a moment to locate the product that's not showing on your storefront. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of products, use the search bar at the top to quickly find it by name or SKU. Once you've found the correct product, click on it to open the product details page. On the product page, look for the status section, usually near the top. There's a drop-down here that controls whether the product is visible to customers. Click on that drop-down and make sure the status is set to active. If it's set to draft, it will not appear on your online store. Switch it to active, and that alone can often fix the problem. Just below the status, find the publishing or sales channels section. This area controls where the product is available, such as your online store and any other sales channels you've added. Click on the Manage button or icon in this section. A panel will open showing all your available sales channels, each with a toggle. Go through each sales channel and turn the toggles on for the channels where you want this product to appear. At the very least, make sure the online store channel is enabled. If the toggles are off, the product exists in your admin but won't be visible to customers. When you've turned on the channels you want, click Done to save these publishing settings. Finally, back on the product page, look for the View option, usually near the top. Click View to open the product as your customers would see it on your live store. If everything is set correctly, your